Exercise 13.7, question number 4. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 cm is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. Here we have to find diameter of its base. According to the question, it is given that height h equal 9 centimeter and volume V equal 48 pi centimeter cube. And here we have to find the diameter. Okay. So for finding diameter, we should find radius because diameter equal twice of the radius. Okay. Diameter equal 2r. So here we have to find radius first. Then we have to find the diameter. So here we can write the equation for volume of cone as 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal 48 pi. Now we have to substitute the given values. Here no need to substitute the value of pi because here also pi is given. Then pi into r square. R we have to find, so r square itself. H is 9 is given, that is equal 48 pi. Then this 3 and 9 we can cut, then we will get 3. Then r square equal 48 pi by pi into 3. Okay. Then here this pi and pi will be cancelled. In 3, 48. How many 3's? 1 3's are 3. Then remaining 1 in 18, 6 3. So r square is 16. So r equal root 16, that is 4 centimeter. So here the radius of the cone is 4 centimeter. But according to the question, we have to find diameter. So diameter D equal 2 into R, twice of the radius. That is 2 into 4 equal 8 centimeter. So the diameter of the cone is 8 centimeter. Now exercise 13.7, question number 5. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kilometers? Conical pit, top diameter 3.5 meter and deep 12 meter, and we have to find the capacity in kiloliters. According to the question, it is given that diameter is 3.5 meter, deep depth is 12 meter. So height h equal 12 meter, d equal 3.5. So we have to find radius first. So radius r equal d by 2, 3.5 by 2 meter. No need to simplify that here. This itself we can write. Then the question they asked to find the capacity in kiloliters. So we have to find its volume first. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 square into h is given as 12. Okay. Now we can cut this 3 and 12. In 12, 4 3's. Okay. Now 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 4. Then this we can again cut. Then we get in 4 2 2's into 1 2. Okay. Then the 7 0 point. Then in 35 5. Now the answer is 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. So we have to find this in meter cube. We will get the answer in meter cube. So for that we have to multiply 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. That is equal 38.5 meter cube. But in the question they asked to find the answer in kiloliter, capacity in kiloliter. So the last session we discussed one question to convert meter cube to liter. What we should do? Into 1000. Then centimeter cube to liter. What we should do? Divided by 1000. Okay. So meter cube to kiloliter. No need to do any operation. Directly we can write the unit. So here 38.5 meter cube is same as 38.5 kiloliters. 38.5 kiloliters. liters. This is the answer. Exercise 13.7, question number 6. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find, first sub question is height of the cone. Then the second sub question is find the slant height of the cone. And the third sub question is find the curved surface area of the cone. Then in the question we have to find H, L and CSA of the cone. The question it is given that diameter is 28 centimeter and volume is 9856 centimeter cube. So here we have to find radius first, that is d by 2 equal 28 by 2. So r equal 14 centimeter. R is equal 14 centimeter. Then here volume is given as 9856. So we can write the equation for volume of the cone as 1 by 3 pi r square h. That value is given as 9856. Then we have to substitute the values which are known. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 square into h. Height we have to find, slant height we have to find and CSA also we have to find. These three values we have to find. So here this is equal 9856. Then 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into h is equal 9856. Here we can cut these two. Then 1 by 3 into 22 into 2 into 14 into h equal 9856. Then we have to find the value of h. So we should transpose all other terms from left side to right side. Then the denominator become numerator and numerators become denominator. Okay. Now we can use the cutting method. Into 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1 in 18, 9 2s are 18. In 5, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 in 16, 8 2s are 16. Then here in 2, 7 2s are 14. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1 in 12, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then here in 22, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Here 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now here we have to cut again it by 7. In 7, 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 7. Remaining 5. In 53, 7 7s are 49. Remaining 4. In 42, 6 7s are 42. Then in 11, 11 by 11 is 1. Then 1 11s are 11. Remaining 6. 6 11s are 66. So we get the answer as 16 into 3. That is equal 48 centimeter. Height is equal 48 centimeter. Height of the cone 48 centimeter. We have to find slant height L. Okay. So here H we got as 48. R is given as 14. R is given as 14 centimeter. So we can write the relation between L, H and R. L square equal H square plus R square. So L equal root of H square plus R square. That is equal root of 48 square plus 14 square. That is equal 2304 plus 196 equal root of 2500. Root of 2500. Root of 25 is 5. 2 zeros root is 1 0. So 50 centimeter. So slant height L equal 50 centimeter. L equal 50 centimeter. Okay. Then the third sub question is find the CSA of the cone. So CSA of the cone is pi r L. Then we have to substitute the values. Pi 22 by 7, r is 14 and L we got as 50. Okay. Then we can cut this 7 and 14. then 22 into 2 into 50. 2 into 50 is 100, 22 into 100 is 2200. So 2200 centimeter square. So the first sub question's answer, height of the cone is 48 centimeter. Second sub question's answer, slant height L equal 50 centimeter. And the third sub question's answer, curved surface area CSA equal 2200 centimeter square. So this now exercise 13.7, question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Here this is the triangle, right triangle ABC with the sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay, then when we revolved it about the side 12 centimeter, then height of the cone so obtained is 12 centimeter. Okay, then the radius of the cone so obtained is 5 centimeter. So this is the figure obtained. So by comparing the right triangle and cone, we get h is equal 12 centimeter and radius equal 5 centimeter. And here we have to find volume of the solid. Okay, volume of the solid so obtained. Here we get the solid like cone. So here the volume of the cone so obtained is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 square into 12. Then we can simplify this 3 and 12 in 4 times. Then 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 4. That is equal 22 by 7 into 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4, 100. So we get 2200 by 7. 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. Or we can express this as 1 by 3 pi r square h. If we didn't give the value of pi as 22 by 7, then we will get it as 12 and 3 we can cut. 5 square is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So we will get 100 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so 100 pi centimeter cube or 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. Anyway, we can express this answer. That's all for today. The remaining 2 questions from exercise 13.7 we will discuss in the next session. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.